All available experts, please report to room A9.
Hello guys, Axel here, and welcome to Bengo Talk. This is what module will look like. It will be reminiscent of Discord in a text channel called Event Voice Text, and have these 4 profile pictures to the right of a message. These 4 profile pictures will refer to 4 people from the KTaNE server who collectively call themselves Bengo, that being Play, Goodhood, Sierra, and Kuro. They will be acting as what buttons we're going to be pressing for this module. Since they are playing a silly activity, as it calls it, where they pronounce a phrase 1 letter at a time. And basically we're going to be figuring out what letters each of these people have, so we can spell out a given word. So, of course, knowing that, we need to find out what our target word is. So, this is where this phrase comes in. We're going to find this phrase in this table below. So, in this case, we have look at the left arrow, then look at FMN, then press up, which is here. The generated phrase can be found in the table on the second page. The phrase directed to the side of generated phrase we call the target phrase. So the phrase we're going to be looking at is this one. And now we're going to figure out which word from this we're going to be trying to spell out. So to do that, we're going to take the sum, well, the first letter of the generated phrase being the one we have here. So the first letter is L, so we have 12. And we're going to add to that
please return to your stations.
The amount of batteries, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the amount of ports, which is 3. So in total we get 22. Yeah, 22. And then we add 1 to it, 23. This is the target position. We're going to take this position's word, the target phrase, of course, looping back round when we reach the end. Punctuation is ignored, and spaces is what denotes a new word. So let's count in this phrase to the 23rd word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going through again, we'll get to 16 here. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. The word we're going to be spelling out is Talbot. So now, how do we figure out what letters everyone has? This is where we use step 2. So if you didn't know, Sierra is a system. You can use the link here to find out more about that. It's quite an interesting thing to learn about, actually. And these are the 10 people in the system. We're going to be finding who is the fronter of the current system by, again, using some of the edge work. We're going to be taking the sum of the amount of indicators. We have none. The last digit of the serial number, 4. So our final is 4. Add 1 to that, so we get 5. So we're going to be looking at the table and taking the person at position 5. Of course, if you get a number bigger than 10, you just loop back round to the start, from Sage to Acer. So we have 5. Our fronter this time is Hazel. So what do we do with this? Assigning the first letter of the fronter's name to Sierra's button. Sierra's button will be the one with this image on it, as you saw up here. So the first letter of Hazel is H, and Sierra's button is the top one on this one. So we're going to assign H here, and then we're going to go down each of the rest of the buttons and looping back round, assigning with the rest of the letters. So it'll be I, J, K, LMNO PQRS TUVW and so on. When you get to Z, you loop back around to A, F, G, and two people will have one more letter than the other two. Now we have this, we're going to see who has each letter of this word, so we can spell out our target word of Talbot. So, as we can see, the first button we press is the top one for T. Then A is on the fourth button. Then the L is on the top button again. B is also the top button. And then A again is on the fourth button. And we get self-module. Let's do another example. So this time our phrase is, oh, it's a microphone. Here. So our target phrase is, oh, it's 10 times. We can read these again. And this is the reason I loaded up separate bombs, because as you can see, it was heavily edgework dependent. So again, we're now going to be finding the target position. So the first letter of the generated phrase this time is O, with 15. Now our batteries is 2, so we're on 17. The amount of ports is 2, so we're on 19. 15, 17, 19, 20, with the add 1. So we're looking at the 20th word in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So our word this time is times. So, now it's done to this bit again. So this time the fronter is going to be, let's see, the sum of the amount of indicators is 1, plus the last digit of the serial number, that's 8, so 9. So, and add 1, 10. So our fronter this time is Sage. The Sierra button is at the bottom this time, so the S is going to go here. And now we're going to assign them as we did last time. So, TUVW, XYZ, and so on. I'm not going to say all of them. Q, R. So these are the letters this time. And we're going to be filling out times. Oh, and interestingly, it's going to be button 1 and then button 4 times, I think. So, button 1 and button 4 times. Oh, we get another self-module. Let's do one more example. So the phrase this time is, when the ops give you a mealy apple. That is here. So our target phrase is this. Before I carry on, just still side note about one of them. This one here, which reads this. Whenever you see the word Jungo here, it's replaced by Juliet's profile picture, which is here. But just so you're aware of that. So, let's calculate the target position now. First letter of the generated phrase, 23. Or W, 23. The amount of batteries is 3, 26. The amount of ports is none, so it's still 26. And becomes 27 when adding 1. So let's count to the 27th word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, What are we going to do again? 23, 26, 27. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So this time my word is from. Removing these letters. Okay, 27. Now finding this part of it. The amount of indicators, 2. Plus last digit of the serial number, 3, 5. Add 1, 6. So the 6th one on the table is kit this time. So, and the 0 button is at the top, so we could be going to put a K here, and then assigning as we did previously. X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. There we go. And spelling out from, we get the second button, the last button, then the top button, and the third button. And we get another sub module. Note that if an incorrect button was pressed, module will strike and will not reset. Will not reset implies that nothing will change about it. And I think that also means that input won't be reset either. You just carry on from where you were. So that was Bengo talk. Hopefully you understand how the module works now. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. I'll see you later.